Hello, my friend. I'm here with my friends from Nepal. This is Biru, and these beautiful smile girls are Omi and Shulu. And now we will speak about their living place here. Biru, can you say something about you? What you're working?
Hi. I'm Biru Marjan from Nepal. I'm working at Jara company. It's been 3 months I'm here, and Sofia, it's a beautiful country, and we are enjoying. Yeah.
He's a sales assistant there.
Sales assistant, yeah.
And these beautiful, nice ladies, they are housekeepers in one company, right, girls? Yes, don't be shy.
Hello, my name is Amila Thapa. I am from Nepal. I am working cleaner house.
Yes.
My company Eunina 07.
Yes, very good. Don't be shy. And now we will speak a little in Bulgarian. They're a little shy. Аз се казвам Слави. А ти как се казваш?
Аз се казвам Биру. Биру Мохарзан.
На колко си години?
Аз е на 3-5.
Браво. Аз се казвам Слави. А ти се казваш?
Аз съм на Оми.
Оми. На колко си години? Оми.
Аз съм на Бет.
Окей. Аз се казвам Слави.
Аз се казвам Шуло.
На колко си години?
Аз съм на 3-5.
3-5.
3-5.
Браво! Окей. Чао!
Чао!